They said the highway came like mercy, painted lines and passing light. Route 66 through Shamrock kept the doors on late at night. Gas and coffee, borrowed stories, every mile another face. The road did not save this town, it just asked it to stay awake. Built to be seen at 40 miles in dust and dark and rain. And that green-lit curve of glass and steel was never chasing fame. The U-drop stood like a signal, not a promise, just a sign. Come in quick, keep moving on, you are only borrowing time. Neon humming through the prairie, like it knew what was ahead. The road kept rolling westward, but the light stayed where it led. They say the highway left us lonely, but that is not the truth, I know. The neon outlived the traffic and remembered every road. Summer nights were full of engines, every played a different state. Then the lanes grew wide and silent, Interstate 40 sealed the gate. No parade, no last confession, just fewer tires passing through. A town learning how to listen when the noise was finally through. Neon humming through the prairie, like it knows what roads forget. You do not need the traffic for the place to still exist. Route 66 kept moving but left something in its wake. A light that learned to stand alone for every traveler's sake.
Headlights cut through the drifting haze. Empty miles whisper in yesterday's praise. Worn out lines guide my restless wheel on this broken ribbon that knows how I feel. Rust on the guardrails, ghosts in the trees. A radio crackles some half-lost melody. Chased it down like I chased my youth on this old lonesome highway that don't have the truth. Gas station coffee and cigarette smoke, tales from a drifter, stories half told. Miles behind me, more up ahead. It's a long time promise to outrun regret. Wind in my window, moon on my hood. If I turn back now, I don't know if I could. There's freedom and sorrow in the same old song. On this road I belong, where the lonely belong. counter sign flickers to life. Brings me a moment to feel half alive. But the road keeps calling, she knows my name. She don't promise heaven, just more of the same. When my engine's quiet and my wheels are still, may they bury my bones past that far off hill, neath the dust and gravel where my stories lay. On this old lonesome highway I'll fade away.
Fire on a Friday, whiskey on the floor, sunset in your rear view, chasing something more. Every mile was magic, every kiss was gasoline. We burned through every back road like we were 17. And took turns like gamblers, hearts stacked on the line. Sometimes you were thunder, sometimes you were sunshine. We crashed a couple fences, but we always found the lane. Love like that, don't play it safe, it dances in the rain. It one hell of a ride, no breaks, no goodbyes. Fast hearts in a small town night, under wild and reckless skies. Maybe we were doomed to spin out, but damn, we sure lit up the sky. No regrets, no rewind, just one hell of a ride. We had sparks in our silence, battles in our bed, words we should have swallowed, and dreams we chased instead. But even in the wreckage, I'd take every single mile, 'cause love was in the chaos, in the heartbreak, in the smile. It one hell of a ride, no breaks, no goodbyes. Fast hearts in a small town night, under wild and reckless skies. Maybe we were doomed to spin out, but damn, we sure lit up the sky. No regrets, no rewind, just one hell of a ride. I'd do it all again. Every scar, every laugh, every fall, every bend. It was more than just the moments, it was living, it was real. And I chased that feeling down just to feel what we'd feel. A one hell of a ride, hearts beating out of time. Burned bright, crashed hard, but it was beautifully unrefined. Maybe we were born for the breakdown, but we sure touched the sky. No regrets, no rewind, just one hell of a ride. No regrets, one hell of a ride.
Windmill turned on borrowed ground, red dirt flat for miles around. A railroad stop, a cattle name. He signed the land, then watched it change. They dug a well and called it home under a panhandle sky of stone. He shook the dust off his Sunday coat, bought a ticket for a bigger boat. Left McLean with the springtime rain. Said he'd be back, said it plain. Eastbound steel, westbound hope. Didn't know the ocean keeps its own. And some men build a town and stay. Some men live and drift away. Some names hold some fade to black. He gave the land but didn't come back. From Texas ground to foreign track, he built a place he never came back to. Midnight ice and a tearing sound, cold black water, no solid ground. They said the boats were few that night. He stepped aside, gave up his right. While stars went out above the deck, he chose the dark, not regret. They rang the bell on Main Street slow, but the body cross where tides still go. Liverpool dirt, not Texas clay, marked the place where he finally lay. Back home the pumps kept passing cars, his name stayed quiet, the town went on. Some men build a town and stay. Some men leave and drift away. Some names hold some fade to black. He gave the land but didn't come back. From Texas ground to foreign track, he built a place he never came back to. And now Route 66 hums through town, past brick and glass still holding ground. If you don't know, you drive right by, never hear the reason why this town stands where it stands today. 'Cause one man gave it all, then sailed away. A flat horizon, wide and true, a town that waits like it always knew. Some stories don't need to shout. McLean remembers the man who didn't come back.